Now let us eliminate this question by using our basic common sense. In this question, indigo cultivation in India declined by the beginning of 20th century because of option A, peasant resistance to the oppressive conduct of planters. Option B, its unprofitability in the world market because of new inventions. Option C, national leaders' opposition to the cultivation of indigo. Option D, government control over the planters. So, how can we eliminate by using common sense? See, in the beginning, it is given in the question that's the beginning of 20th century, that is, it is the beginning of 1900s. During this time, when we consider India, if we doesn't know any other thing, just think that we are a colony, or we were a colony at the time of 1900s. So the British had followed the policy of oppression and utilizing India for their profit and benefit. So that is the basic thing, and their main aim was to increase the profit at the at the cost of India. So by having this logic in mind, when we consider option A, peasant resistance to the oppressive conduct of the planters, if that had happened, colonial government should mostly support the planters, not the peasants, because it is their aim to increase the profit. So logically, option A can be eliminated. Now, option C, national leaders' opposition to the cultivation of indigo. Again, the same logic which is used in option A, that is, it's a colony, so national leaders' voice will not be heard by the government for most of the time. And a mass movement which began by national leaders, a pan-India movement, began in 1920s, that is the non-cooperation movement. So option C can also be eliminated. Now option D, government control over the planters. Similar to option A and C, government will support the planters to oppress the peasants because their aim is to gain profit. So option D will also be wrong. So the logical answer from this will be option B. Its unprofitability in the world market because of new inventions. So now we look into the next logic. Here is something, we have to find the odd man from the given four options. Here we can split it into controllables and uncontrollables. Okay, see, option A, we have a subject, peasant resistance, which can be controlled. There is a specific thing, that is a peasant resistance, or peasants has to be controlled. So you can increase the indigo cultivation is the sense of first one. When you consider the, again, option C, there are national leaders who can be controlled in any means. Now it is the government control. So there's another object which can be used as a control. Now when we consider in world market, who controls the world market? World market is basically controlled by none. So there is no proper system to control the world market as a whole. So when something has happened in world market, it has its implications as its own. So we cannot control the world market as such for our benefit. So again, by the second technique, or by a second elimination technique, by finding the odd man, again by logic, option D is the answer. So if two logical reasoning, if you get the same answer, more than 98% the answer will be that answer which you receive. The elimination technique should be logical in the sense it should be intelligent. You should have some basic sense of what you're doing in it. You cannot blindly guess it. Okay.